After an early morning 4-hour flight from Siem Reap, we fly over the Himalayan mountain range and descend into the Kathmandu Valley, for which our pilots had to have special training. Leaving the airport, we drive through downtown Kathmandu on our way to our first stop, a Buddhist temple, the oldest in the world, known as Swayambanat, or the Monkey Temple. So we're up in a mountain in Kathmandu, and we're about to head up a hill to the top where there is a stupa, a Buddhist temple or stupa. So we're starting our climb to the top. So there's monkeys here, and they're everywhere.
Yes, monkeys are there all over the places.
And you don't want to get messing around with them.
Okay, the green.
Swayambanat Stupa, or the Monkey Temple. So here we have prayer wheels. They're all around the temple and all around the base of the temple, thousands of them. So I guess you say your prayers, and well, you can see they're quite polished, the bottom, as you twirl them. And obviously below you can see there's little candle holders. Quite the smell of incense up here. So this is apparently the oldest stupa or temple of this faith in the world. So this is the other stairs on the other side of the temple. So this is a view of the Kathmandu Valley. Next stop, dinner and a folklore show. So it's 7 o'clock in the morning, and we're heading off to see the mountains. Buddha Air. So we got a slight delay while we wait for the mountain to clear, hopefully, or traffic. Here we are. There we go, we're off to the mountain. This is Tibet. And that's Mount Everest right there. The tallest mountain. Look at the little puff of cloud behind it. So we're slowly making our way into Kathmandu. These are the lower Himalayas that we're seeing out the window. And you can see how the farms take up any little bit of level land that they can find. So now we've got the wheels down for landing. So now we're coming into Kathmandu Airport. After our trip to the top of Mount Everest, we returned to our hotel and look forward to our next stop, Agra, India, with its world-famous Taj Mahal and the Red Fort, home to the Mughal emperors.